Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Week video. My name is Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's trading video. Today we're going to be discussing the GBP USD. We've had a longer term trade trigger this week. I'm going to show you how the trade was published, when the trade triggered, and how the trade finished. So let's go to firstly our members area. Our members area is effectively where we provide our technical analysis, our fundamental analysis, and our trading opportunities from a day to day. So as we scroll on down, we have our daily chart analysis. Now you would know this if you watch any of our previous videos, that we provide these daily charts every single week. The trading level that came into play this week was this support and demand at 2470 on GBP. This was taken as a longer term trading level, and for any of our clients they would know why this was taken as a longer term level. These daily charts, we interpret certain levels as longer term, certain levels as short term. These levels here was interpreted as a longer term level. Therefore you take these levels with a minimum of at least a 40 pip stop loss. So if we go into the live chart and let's get an understanding of where the trade triggered in and how the trade is doing so far. So let's go to our live chart. What we see is we see the GBP coming up just here. So here we have our 2470 level, which was just in here. So this level actually came into play, let's have a look here, on the Tuesday, 2470. You can see the low here was 2443, so obviously nowhere near your 40 pip stop loss, and we can see currently it reversed in excess of 100 pips, and at the moment it's sitting around 60-70 pips in profit. At this point you would have your stop losses moved up to the break-even mark, and you would take a part position out of the trade to bank yourself some profits. So it's a really good example, this trade, of how easily you can just set up an order at the beginning of the week, you trigger in the next day, and a couple of days later it's 100 pips in profit. Yeah. If you're trading that at, let's just say, even just a couple of pounds a point, it's a few £100 made of just a really simple order in the market based on a very easy chart to interpret. So we're actually providing these types of trades all the time from week to week, and if you watched our previous videos, you know we made quite a few hundred pips on dollar CAD the other week. So you can actually get access to this information on a completely free consultation if you're not a client, and we'll screen share our analysis and our system. And the way to do that is you go to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. Just leave your details here on the home page, name, email, phone number, and one of our traders will get in touch with you. Just give you a sort of a brief chat to give you an understanding of what it is that we do. If you're interested, then we get you booked in for a full screen sharing session. Just want to say thank you very much for watching today's video. Really do appreciate that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we wish you an absolutely wonderful weekend. And hopefully we'll speak to you next week. Thank you.